Hey guys, today we're going to continue on with the declutter series. So I'm just going to quickly explain how I'm going to do it. So I've already started my lipstick declutter. That's the one where I'm swatching all of the lipsticks and trying them all on and then like decluttering them as I go. So that's still in the process. I also have the lip liners here. Well, okay, so my makeup is in kind of two sections at the moment. There's my makeup that's like put away in my drawers, and then there's my makeup that's in boxes. And the stuff that's in boxes is because I'm doing a series over my Patreon where I'm like working my way through my makeup collection. So these are part of the working my way through my makeup collection series, and I'm going to swatch all of these as well when I decide. So I'm going to put those aside for today, and we'll get to those when we do like more lip swatches and stuff. Then I've also got all of these glosses, which I'm also going to do the same. I'm going to put those aside and swatch them when we get to the more swatching. So what we're going to do today is we're going to go through the stuff that's still in my working my way through my makeup collection series, and we're going to declutter that stuff first, and then when we're done with these boxes we'll go on and start decluttering stuff that's actually like put away in the drawers, like back in the makeup collection. Let's just get into it. I've got all of the eyeshadow palettes here that I need to get through, so let's just start. So first one I have is the Carnival XL Pro palette. I actually love this palette so much. I need to use it soon. I really need to catch up on the working my way through my makeup collection videos very soon. But yeah, that's a keep. Another from Be Perfect is the Clientele, and once again I do really enjoy this palette, so that can stay. Glamlight and Strawberry Shortcake. How cute is this, honestly? Like, it's the cutest palette. I love it, so that can stay. I'm just going to zoom you in just a little bit more. This is the Glamlight, I can't remember what it was called. Oh, the paint palette. This is like, you know, Glamlight early days, and I think this palette is so pretty. This is something I'm going to keep. They don't make it anymore, but I'm going to keep it for, I want to do like, I'm trying to think of what I'm trying to say. I'm going to use this for like Halloween and things like that. So, and I mean, I could still use it as eyeshadow, but yeah. This is the Too Faced Born This Way Sunset Striped, or Stripped, I don't know what it says. Is that Stripped? Sunset Stripped. Sunset Striped. How? I do not know. I literally genuinely do not. This palette's so pretty. I think I might actually take this one away with me, possibly, because I just think it's a really, really pretty palette. I think, I never thought that I'd do this, but I think I'm honestly going to get rid of my Jacqueline ones. They're beautiful. I can't deny that they're so pretty. This is the Jacqueline and Morphe Volume 2, and then I've got the original one, Volume 1, and I honestly do love these palettes. I think they're so stunning and they're so beautiful, but I've just learnt a lot lately. I've been watching a lot of Jen Loves videos, and I don't think Jacqueline and Morphe are things that I want to support. Like, I don't know, like, yeah. So I just think that they've got to go. They're also old anyway. And yeah, like, I'm not going to deny that I don't love I love these palettes. I think they're beautiful, but I have other people and like other palettes that I can support and use instead, so I'm going to get rid of both of those. And I feel like the worst thing about Morphe is they know how to get you, because the layout of the palettes are so stunning. But honestly, I'm not going to let this one go as well. I think it's stunning, it is beautiful, but when I actually break it down, I do have a lot of these shades, and yeah, don't need them. So this is another one of Too Faced. This is the Born This Way Too Faced Natural Nudes. See, this is the thing, like, I know that obviously like every brand would have skeletons in their closet. I understand that, but yeah, I don't know. Anyway, I'm not going to get into all of that now, but I just feel like, yeah, lately I've decided that, yeah, I don't know. Anyway, this is the Natural Nudes, and this is probably one that I would also take away, so I need to use them. This is from Certify. This is the Tropical Wonders palette. Isn't it so pretty? I just think this palette is actually like so stunning. I don't know if Certify is still a thing, but anyway, love it. Have another from Glamlight. This is the Icy Blue Raspberry palette, and I don't know, there's just something about this. I think it's so pretty. Probably actually not going to get rid of as many eyeshadow palettes as I thought. This is the Scooby-Doo and Glamlight, the Creepy Crawls. This is stunning. Mind you, I have so many Glamlight palettes, I didn't realise. Yeah, love that. We have the Colourpop, this was called like the Here Comes the Sun palette. I love this so much. It's one of the ones that it was like a build your own palette or whatever. Do they still do their single shadows, I wonder? I don't know, but either way, this palette, stunning. Love it. This is the Moonspell palette from Lunar Beauty. I remember I didn't really like it that much, but I kind of want to try it again. I feel like I'd really like to try it again. And also, I feel like when I eventually like declutter this, I honestly want to keep it on display because I just think it's so cool. I love it. And it's a great prop for Halloween time. Kylie, I don't know, it doesn't say what it is. Just like one of her holiday palettes. It's honestly not that pretty, is it? Like it's pretty, but like, I feel like I don't need it. This is the only Kylie Cosmetics palette I have though, I think. Oh, actually no, I've got another one. I might keep it for now. I might do like one more look with it and then, yeah, we'll decide. I've got a couple of Natasha Denona. So this is the Bronze palette, which is really pretty. And also the Sunset palette. I really want to use these again because I feel like I forgot what the formula's like. And if I like the formula, then I'd like to keep them. But we have so many Colourpop palettes. So this is the Cherry Crush. How pretty is that? It's actually stunning. I honestly don't think I need it though. And I'm not gonna lie, I don't know if that's ever been used. That's like, I can't see any like brush marks in any of it. But yeah, I don't need it, I don't think. Like, it's actually so cute. And the little cherries get me, like they really do, but I don't need it. Wannabe. Oh! That's so pretty. This is Feelin' Bubbly. Also so pretty. I don't need them, but I'm going to keep them. And I feel like, no, that one's been used. Okay, that's fine. Anastasia Norvina. I think I've got rid of the rest of my Norvinas and I've kept this one. Honestly, don't need it. I don't need it. It's so pretty, but I do not need it. Like, Colourpop and Powerpuff Girls. Oh, absolutely adore this palette. It's so beautiful. Like, I just can't. Even when I don't want it anymore, I'll never get rid of it. It'll be like on the shelf. That's taupe. That, once again, stunning. I've got a couple of Huda Beauties. This is the Nude Rich. I don't think these are my shades. I've started to realise lately that like reddy browns kind of aren't really my thing. Like, I'm much more like kind of orangey brown, you know. So I'm going to get rid of that one, I think. Makes me sad, but yeah. This is the Neon Obsessions. It is so cool. Just like, do I need it? You know? Got this one as well. I know that I don't need them, but why do I still want them? I'm going to keep this one for now. I'm going to keep the orange one because I'm a sucker. I'm going to get rid of this one. This is the Nude Medium. Once again, I just feel like they're not that flattering on me, these type of shades. Like, I don't know. So I'm going to get rid of that. This is the Emerald Obsessions. I loved this so much when it first came out. Like, I feel like, I think I'm going to use this one more time, like for a little throwbacky thing. You guys know I love my green shadows. Orangey Glad. I love this. It's just so pretty. I just think, I feel like when Colourpop were coming out with these like 9-pen palettes, they were in their prime. This is a Colourpop glitter palette, which I love. How pretty are these glitters? They're absolutely stunning. And then we have the California Love palette, which I also love. So, I didn't actually do as well as I thought I would, to be honest, but anyway. Got rid of a couple. Okay, that's eyeshadow palettes done. So we got rid of, oh my gosh, please, oops. So we got rid of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So not too bad, I guess. Eyeshadow palettes done. Let's move on. Next we're tackling highlight, and there's a lot. So let's just start. This is the Colourpop and Barbie Beach Party. I'm gonna actually swatch all of them. I feel like I'm gonna regret committing to this, but I want to do it, so let's do it. So this is Beach Party, and this is probably one of the prettiest shades I've ever seen. So yeah, that can stay. This is the Revolution highlighter in Golden Kiss, and I did honestly really used to like this. Like, I feel like it is really stunning, so that can stay for now. We have the Morphe High Impact highlighter in the shade Lit, It's very yellow and it is really pretty, but I'm going to be getting rid of it. I love highlight. I honestly love highlighter so much. We have the Natasha Super Glow in light to medium. Oh, how pretty is that? That's stunning. Yep, stunning. The Anastasia Iced Out highlighter. I love a good Anastasia highlight. Stunning. It's honestly kind of like not as pretty as I thought. It's got like weird like orange and like gold reflex to it. I'm gonna keep it though. This is the Soul Shimmering Body Powder in Rose. So it's not really meant to be a highlight, but it's so pretty. It's so dark though, isn't it? Like that is not gonna ever match me. Like it's stunning, but oh, I really don't want to get rid of it because it's so pretty. But in no world is that ever gonna match me. And I don't really use like body powders as much as I wish I did. I just don't. Okay. We have the Michaela and Glam Light highlight. This is from like part 1. That's stunning. That's actually really, really pretty. Really nice shade. I don't love Michaela, to be honest. I don't. I've talked about it before. But anyway, okay. We have a MAC highlight in Beaming Blush. Oh, that's real pretty. How pretty are all of these? Alright, I need to like wash my arm. I don't know if they're just going to come off. Honestly, really like this palette. This is the Turn Up the Light Complexion Enhancing Highlighting Palette from Too Faced. I feel like this honestly needs to be in face palettes, not in highlighters, because this is like a kind of like setting powdery thing that's like, no, like a bit like has a bit of like luminosity to it. Then this is like your glow and then dazzle. Like, yeah, I don't know, I feel like that needs to be in face palettes, to be honest. But either way, I am going to keep it, but I'm going to put it in a different category. This is the Natasha Denona I Need a Nude Glow. Girl, that's so pretty. That's nice. Have the Anastasia Loose Setting Powder. This is Snowflake, I think. I'll check in a sec. That's like so blinding. Is it Snowflake? Yep. This is the Colourpop Land Queen Frostine Pixie Puff Highlighter. I honestly don't need this, but I'm going to keep it anyway because I'm a sucker. How pretty is that? Like, I can't get rid of that. That's stunning. I don't know if you can see it, but it is. It's really pretty. I'll tell you what though, these are a pain to store because they don't fit in my drawers. And then we've got the Bambi one as well. This is like Morning Light or something. I think they're honestly kind of similar, are they? Oh no, this one's much more golden. Well, I just think they're so pretty and I just love them, so sorry. Oh guys, this, the Amrezy highlighter. This is like one of my all-time favourites. Bury me with the Amrezy highlighter. Look at it. It's so pretty. Oh my god, my finger just took a chunk out of it. Great. We have another Soul Body highlighter, face and body highlighter. This is in Pink Truffle. See this one, I feel like, yeah, that'll suit me a little bit better. Like, it's super pink, but this is the Jacqueline highlighting palette. I have to give it to Jacqueline. Her highlighting formulas were absolutely stunning. They were so nice. But one, Jacqueline Cosmetics is shut down now. Guys, they were honestly like, it's such a shame. Like, she has great potential to be like so, like, she's really cool, and like, I just don't know, like, she could go on to do such great things and be such a great person, and she just chooses not to be, and it's like, girl, why? So anyway, that one's decluttered because yeah, Jacqueline Cosmetics isn't a thing anymore. Guys, I loved these so much. These were the loose highlighters. These were stunning. These are also from Jacqueline Cosmetics. Like, one of my, like, oh, look at it. Like, it was literally insane. Like, I actually loved these so much, and the shades were so pretty. Once again, Jacqueline Cosmetics isn't a thing, and yeah. But anyway, this is from Fenty. This is the How Many Carats highlighter. This is like one of those, like, I don't even know. It looks so pretty, but it's like glittery. It's cool though. Like I feel like I don't want to get rid of that, but I know I'm probably never going to use it. I want to see what it looks like on the face though, so I'm going to try it out. Oh my god, I forgot about this. This is the Glamlight and Scooby-Doo highlighting palette. Tell you something about Glamlight, they love a duochrome. And I'm not a duochrome girl, I'm not, but they are so cool. Love them. They're so cool. Like, I probably, obviously I'm not going to use them day to day, but I just love them too much to let it go. This is the Michaela and Glamlight Part 2 highlighting palette. And I feel like this might be a get rid of. Because once again, I'm just not a duochrome girl. They're kind of cool though. Do you know what I mean? Like, I feel like I'm such a sucker. I know that I don't need them, but I just want to... Anyway, I'm going to keep them for now, whatever. This is the Simpsons and Revolution Treehouse of Horror highlighting palette. These are actually really pretty shades. I tell you something for nothing. Revolution know how to do a highlight. Like, are they not really pretty? I actually really enjoy their highlighting formula. Highlighter is so satisfying. Okay, I'll do like 2 more and then we're going to call it quits and we'll do another video. These 2 are from Glamlight. We have Pina Colada, which looks real pretty. Love Pina Colada. That can stay. And then we have Mimosa. Oh my god, that's so gold. Okay, I think I'm gonna get rid of Mimosa because that's super gold. Alright, that's where I'm gonna finish part 1. So how satisfying does my arm look right now, by the way? Like, I actually just love highlights so much. Anyway, so that's part 1 of like, yeah, decluttering this stuff. So I will see you guys in part 2.